Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to find Leon's stash in Days Gone. Open your map and place a waypoint in the Rattler area immediately. Approach the marked compound slowly, use stealth to thin enemies, and listen for NPC dialogue that hints at interior paths. Check every cabin, under beds, and behind loose furniture for crates. When you find the stash, take a quick scan for extra supplies and ride to the nearest safe house. I will explain how to spot the subtle signs that lead to Leon's stash, starting with environmental cues. Scan for blood trails, broken fences, and fresh tire tracks that funnel you toward a building. Enter interiors cautiously and sweep rooms in a clockwise pattern so you don't miss hidden containers. Pay attention to audio hints like muffled voices or radio static that often mark stash locations in the area. I will help you prepare for noise management and quick escapes while hunting the stash. Equip silenced weapons, move crouched when possible, and use distractions like bottles or rocks to separate enemies. If combat is unavoidable, set traps or Molotovs to control choke points, then sprint to your bike for a rapid getaway. Always stash heavy items on the bike first so you can haul loot without slowing down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.